you may think you're looking at a high-end stainless steel Memphis wood-fire grill, which it is. But I'll let you in on a little secret. It's also a time machine. It's a machine that creates time, good time, time celebrating, enjoying company, food, and the moments that busy lives often move past with barely a recollection. Not only can this grill create time, but because it's a world-famous Memphis wood-fire grill, it also smokes, sears, roasts, and bakes like no other grill on the planet. And new for this year, it features a game-changing technology called IntelliBurn. IntelliBurn increases performance and efficiency by adding a secondary combustion system. Simply put, it creates more heat while consuming less fuel. And coupled with our clean start ignition and new variable speed blower system, there's simply no other grill on the market that can touch the consistency, efficiency, and temperature control of a Memphis. If you're gonna truly live, you might as well spend it doing things you love. And when you spend your time on things you love, make sure you get something great in return. Start collecting memories with the Memphis Wood-Fire Grill, featuring new IntelliBurn technology.
Memphis Wood-Fire Grills.